How to change default language of Amazon Prime Video app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. In order to change the default language of Amazon Prime Video, you need to access its website first. It won't be possible through the app. So on your browser, navigate to the Amazon Prime Video website. Once you are in its website, log into your account. After you are logged in, head over to your accounts and settings page. At the top, you can see different menu options. Scroll it to the right, and here you can see the language option. Tap on it. Now, in order to change the default language of Amazon Prime Video, here you will be able to see two different options. One is website language and another is streaming language. So as per your preference, you can change both of the languages. If you want to change the website language, you can change this. Here you can see different language options that you can choose from. You can simply select all the language that you want to change, and over here you can tap on the save button and the language will be saved. If you want to change the streaming language, you can select this change button at the bottom. Now you'll need to select this custom option. It will give you the list of available languages. So you can select your preferred language from here. Once you select your language, you can tap on the save button. And there you go. That's how you can easily change the default language of Amazon Prime Video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.